In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy meme coins on Solana. Now, the way you would typically buy coins or meme coins is through a decentralized exchange, and for Solana, their decentralized exchange is actually called Radium. However, if you've actually ever tried to use Radium, you'll know that it's not the best experience. It's kind of slow and it doesn't really work the best, especially when you're trying to buy meme coins. So what I actually recommend you do is download Telegram, and you'll be able to click my link in the video description to get access to a Telegram Solana bot, and this is called BonkBot. So I've got a contract address of a coin here, and I'm just going to quickly show you how it works. So you can simply put in the contract address of the coin you're going to buy, then choose how much you want to buy, and from there, it'll buy it very fast. So as you can see, I've purchased it already, and we can refresh this here. We can see the value of the coin we just bought. And then let's just say we waited a bit of time and it went up, and we wanted to sell. We can click sell 100%, and it will send the transaction. And as you can see, the swap's been successful, and we've successfully sold that coin, and we've now got no open positions. So if you're trying to trade meme coins, which involves being really fast, you are going to need to use a bot, or you are just going to get dumped on by people faster than you, and you're going to end up losing your money. So I'll include a link to this bot, which is called BonkBot, and I'll also include a link to this one, which is Soul Trading Bot, and this one can be used to snipe tokens. Now, once you have Telegram downloaded and also one of those bots set up, we're now ready to start looking for meme coins. And I'm going to be using the website Deck Screener, which can help us find pairs on any chain. So since we're trying to buy meme coins on Solana, we can click Solana over here on the left hand side. And here we can see all of the top tokens in the last 24 hours. So let's just say our friend told us about this one, and we trust them and we want to buy it based off their recommendation. We first want to look at what the ticker is, and for this example it's GME. From there we can scroll down to where this information is, and we want to look for that ticker which we just read. So this one's called GameStop GME, so it'll be this one here in the middle. You never want to pick pair and you never want to pick Sol, because they will not work. So you want to pick this middle one, which is the token address for the coin you're trying to buy. So to copy it, you can simply click this button here, and from there we can go back into Telegram, and from here we can paste it in the chat, and we will now see this message pop up which will allow us to buy this coin. But if it's your first time setting up this bot, you won't actually have any Sol in your balance, so you will first need to deposit some. Now in this welcome message here, they will actually send you your wallet address, which is right here, so you can click on that to copy it, and you want to send some Solana to this address. So you can either do this using a Solana wallet such as Phantom Wallet, or if you've got money in an exchange like Binance or KuCoin, you can also send it that way. So I'm not going to cover how to deposit Solana in this video, but if you know how to transfer Solana, simply send it to your BonkBot wallet. And if you don't know how to do it, I'm sure you can find out on YouTube or Google. And once you've done that, you'll then have Solana in your wallet balance. And we can go back to that message we were looking at earlier, and you can click any of these buy buttons down here to buy this meme coin. So that's the basic instructions on how to buy meme coins on Solana. But if you're buying coins on this front page, you're probably going to end up getting dumped on unless you get lucky and find a good coin. But in that example, I showed you how to buy meme coins off this front page, and any on this front page are usually going to be up massively. So as you can see here, some of these coins are up like 50,000%, 70,000%. So we want to try and find these coins before they pump. So over here, we want to go to Solana, and then we can click new pairs, and then we can click 1 hour, and then we can go up to the top and click filters, and change the minimum liquidity to 1,000, and then click apply. And from here, we're going to find some of the newer meme coins. So we can sort these by transactions, and as you can see, this coin's only had 50 transactions, so this is a new coin that's just recently launched, and it could potentially be a good buy, but you do first want to make sure it's safe. So this time we can use a different type of Telegram bot to make sure it is actually safe. So when you open this bot and click start, it will say send me a Solana contract address and I will scan it. So we can go back to Deck Screener to get the contract address, but as you can see, this coin's rugged already, so that didn't last long at all. So we can go back to one of these new coins. Let's just pick a random one. And from here, we want to copy the contract address. So just like earlier, we can go down to here, find the ticker, copy the contract address, and go back to Telegram. And from here, we can put the contract address in here. And after just a few seconds, it will tell us if it's safe. So from here, we want to look at mint auth and also LP status, as well as the holders down here. So for mint auth, we want this to be disabled, and we also want the LP to be burnt. If mint auth is enabled, or if it says this, deployer is holding LP, that means that the developer can actually scam the token at any time they want. So you want to find coins where the mint auth is disabled, the LP is burnt, and you also want to make sure the top 10 don't hold a large percentage of the supply. And if all those things look good, it could be a good purchase, but you do want to be careful. And I wouldn't really recommend trading meme coins on Solana using this method with too much money, especially if you're new to it, because it is high risk, high reward. But as I mentioned earlier, if you wanted to try those bots out for yourself so you can start trading meme coins on Solana, I'll leave a link down in the description below, and you'll be able to get them set up fairly easy. If you're having any trouble, comment down below and I'll do my best to help you. So that's how to buy meme coins on Solana. Thanks for watching.